morning, guy. I am in my pajama here. It's weekend, so you can see how I wake up wherever I say myself it's weekendy, so I have some stuff to do in the house. Yeah, one of them I'm going to share with you is laundry. How I make laundry simple but also freshy, and there is a different, I don't know, it's just my way how I make laundry and make it clothes look look clean but also smell fresh. Yeah, so let's go. You can see here, hey, it's a lot of mountain of clothes, laundry clothes. So here I have my machine here, my wash one and the dry one, Yeah, and over there I have this detergent is softener. Yep. Yeah. So I don't mix it, so I want to show you my method. Maybe it can help you. Yeah. Yep. But many people they do that. Yeah. Okay. Here, you can see me. Oh wait, where am I putting? Here I'm going to show you how I'm going to separate them. Yeah. This is the first step. Yeah. So I'm going to use this empty basket. Yeah. You see it? And also wait, I have. Always I use my another method I use. I have myself. This is just a little basket, and this is a dry ball. Yeah. So here I have small basket inside it, and also I have this is kind of like and also is the new one. The old one, I think is there. This I bought. I think it was this 2 weeks ago. I don't know. Yeah, I put here. I forgot it. I forgot I was putting. I put in here. So you can see them. It's small bear. Small bear is to put delicate clothes. Yeah, if you clean, like I use most of them in short. I use in my bra. I use my bra or my head when I put it in the cleaning. Yeah, so I use this. It helps the bra not to tears, in the machines. Yeah, I don't know you're familiar with it. I don't know, but it's how I do. And this is basket. When I do this step, always I use my small bucket. This small bucket for putting my small clothes. So always I put it on top here. Yeah. So when I'm going to separate it, I'm going to show you the clothes I'm going to do. Yeah. So, but I want to show you something here. Okay, here I have 2 empty stuff, So I'm going to separate it by using this basket, and also I already told you in the small one. I put them down here. Yeah. I separated them, yeah, in order here. You can see it. Yeah, so they just wait. So today I'm going to do all this. Yeah, it takes time, but you see here. Yeah, it's already inside here. You see. Okay, guys. So this is for today. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, yeah, like it, thumb up, like it. But you can comment anything. When you make laundry, what method are you doing? What method do you do to make it clothes smell fresh and also to look fresh, or look good or look fresh? I don't know. Yeah, maybe if you comment, I can learn it too other way too. Maybe there is something. Yeah, it's that wash. You can hear noise. Yeah. So I'll see you next time. Yeah, so today I just want to share how I make my laundry.